Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Malti and I am going to our body for picking some vegetable for the lunch. So let's go with my sister. Minu, come fast. So now I am going to harvest the potatoes. So this is the tool to harvest a potato. I don't know what is this called in English. So by using these tools I am harvesting. Okay, so let's see how to harvest the potatoes. The switch, yeah. This is called a boir. My god, it's lots of sorry. It's lots of bear. Bear, you know what is called in English? I don't know, but in Sizi language we call this boir. So I am picking some boils to eat. It is taste sour, plus I am eating this boil. It tastes good. Where Jimmy Kanda? You can see the Jimmy Kanda here. No. It's called a dang kanda. It's a ground kanda. I don't know what is called in English. Oh, here is dog. Hi. Say hello. Say hello. Hi. Say something, doggy. Picture with. So let's go harvest. So let's go harvest the potatoes from the ground. Okay. So this is the tool you can see we can use to harvest the potatoes. I don't know what is called in English, but we use this to harvest the potatoes from the ground. Yeah, so let me show you how to harvest the potatoes. Okay, so let's see. So there is a potato farm. I'll show you how much. So this is the potato farm and I am digging up potato. This is potato plant. It is dying, sorry, it's ready to harvesting. So let's get start. So this is the way we can harvest potatoes from the land. For the digging of potato we have to talent because any mistake if you make, then potato will be cut from that tools. The big potatoes. Finally I harvest a potato. Let me show you how much. This is potato and let's go to plucking some green beans for the lunch. I want make lunch potato and green beans mixed. Yeah, so let me show you green beans. So let me show you green beans how it look like. This is green beans. Yeah, that grassy beans or green beans we are using a local language is Semi, and in English you can say grassy beans. This is grassy beans. You can see this is grassy beans, and and you can make veggies sabzi with potato, and in taste it is very good. Let's harvest the grassy beans. Let me show you how to harvest the grassy beans. Okay, you can use your hand to pick up mature mature or prepared grassy beans. This is potta potta semi, you can say in local language. In local language you can say potta potta semi. Yes, this year we don't have so much grassy beans. This year it's that their plants die. So tell me, how many of you out there you like semi aloo ki sabji? Do you like semi aloo ki sabji? There is a sugarcane farm. You can see it's 10:30 and it's time to make lunch. And I am in our field, our farm, our body, and then now I have to go home, and now I don't have take shower, and first I have to take shower first, and then I have to make lunch. So let's go to home.